See children, now I am explaining first to find the LCM in the general division method. Okay children, just we see that. Suppose first we see to find LCM. LCM means what? Least common multiple. Okay. See, suppose one example I say that. For example, suppose if you take that 12 and 40. 12 and 40. 12 and 40 are the two numbers. Okay. So these are the two natural numbers. Actually, according to natural numbers, you can find out. So that according to this 12 and 40 in the general division method, what you are going to find in, just you see children. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, so now this problem we are going to find it now. Okay, take this number 12 and 40. Okay, for both the numbers, what table will go, just you can identify. Okay children, so we can say that you know that two table will go from both the numbers. That means 2 will go in 6, how many times? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. The same way 2 will go in 40, how many times? 20 times. So 2 20s are how much? 40. Still can be continued till to get the remainder 1 1. Then you can see that. Okay, still you can take that 2 table will go that in 6 and 20 also. So that 2 in 6, how many times will go? 3 times will go. In the same way 2 in 20, how many times? 10 times will go. Okay children. Now still you can take off which table will go that. Actually from 3 and 10 there is no common number. Actually directly you can take off 3 and 10 at a time. Then you are multiplying these all the divisors. Okay. So that if you can multiply all these divisors, otherwise you can get it that last remainder 1 and 1 by taking the one of the number. In this you take 3. If you take 3, how many times you go? 3 in 3, 1 time. 3 won't go in 10, then you can write 10 directly. Again, if you take the 10, 1 will be same, and 10 in 10, how many times? 1 time. Okay, so simply you can think that is the last time. Okay, now we have to multiply all these divisors. Okay children, these are the divisors, you know that. Because you are doing 12 by 2 and 40 by 2. These are called the divisors now. So that according to in this case, now we have to multiply all these divisors. Okay children, then we can take all the product of these three, these all the four numbers. That means LCM is equal to take this 2 into 3 into 10. Right? Just multiply children. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 times are how much? 120. Right? That means LCM of 12 and 40 is how much? 120. Okay children, just you can write the result and you have to keep in highlight. That means LCM of 12 and 40. 12 and 40 equal to how much children? 120. Keep highlight means just you can keep in a box. Okay, that means simply you can say that this box indicates the result of the given question. That's it. Okay, so just once again say that the given these two numbers 12 and 40. 12 and 40 are the two numbers. Okay, that also positive integers only have to take children, that also natural numbers. So in this 12 and 40, just you have to see that what table will go from both the numbers, that will be the common number for both the numbers. Just you can see 2 will go in the both the numbers. That means 2 in 12, how many times? 6 times will go. The same number 2 in 40, how many times? 20 times. Okay, still you can be continue. Again 2 will go in both the numbers. Then you can see that 2 in 6, 3 times. 2 in 20, how many times? 10 times. Next one, actually 3 and 10 there is no common number, right? So then take any one of the number in this. Suppose if you take that 3, so 3 will go into how many times? 1 time. 3 won't go in 10, then you can write as it is this number. Okay, then still here what is left here number? 10. Take that 10. Okay, so 1 will be as usual. 10 in 10 how many times will go? 1 time. Just we have to keep that this is the last step when you are getting 1 and 1. Okay, so now you have to take that all these divisors, okay, and you have to multiply. Then you can say that LCM of this multiple of all these all the 4 divisors numbers, if you multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 10, just general multiplication only, you know very well. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 10s are 120. So this is the result of this question. So we can say that we had keep in a highlight. Okay, to identification of the results, nothing but don't think highlight means what. Okay, therefore LCM of 12 and 40 is how much will be 120. Means what is that, you know, when you are getting the 120 is the LCM, we can say that both the numbers will go in these 120 children. That means 12 will go in 120 and 40 also will go in 120. Hence we can say that 120 is the LCM of 12 and 40. Okay children, be careful. What table will go in the both the numbers, you have to take that. If there is no number, common number, then what will be? Same number only, one number only. No? Okay, directly according to this step. For these two numbers, no common number. Hence we can take that separate number. 3 means only one time. Then 10 will be same. Again in this no common number, 10 only is left. So that you can take up 10. Then you have to multiply all these divisors. So product of all these divisors, it is called as the LCM. Then it is equal to 120. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 40 is 120. That means 12 and 40 are the divisors of 120. Okay children. So once we see that, one more example. Just now I told you that, see children, suppose if you take that 24 and 63. 24 and 63. How to find out LCM of these two numbers? Okay children. 12, 24 and 63. Take in the before what I told you in the same method. 24, 63. Okay children. Then what table will go? You know that 2 table will go there. 2 in 24 how many times? 12 times. Right? 2 in 63. 2 in 63 will go now. 2 won't go in 63, no? So that we can keep it of 63 as it is. Okay children. Next, if you take that 3 will go in both the numbers. Take this 3. Then we see 3 in 12 how many times will go? 4 times. 3 in 63. 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. Next one. 4 and 21 you are getting. Okay. Actually for this both the numbers there is no common number. Directly actually we can multiply 2 into 3 into 4 into 21. Or we have to make it as divisors. That means reminders 1 and 1. Take the separate numbers. Regarding these two numbers, take 4. Okay. 4 in 4 one time. Okay. 4 won't go in 21. Then we can keep it of 21. Again 21 you will take it. 1 will be as usual. 21 in 21. How many times will go? 1 time. Okay children. So that this is the last step you can consider. Okay. Just will remind. 2 in 24 12 times means 12 2s are 24. 2 won't go in 63. Hence we can write as usual. Next one. 3 table will go in 12 4 times. The same time 3 also will go in 63 21 times. That means 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. For 4 and 21 actually till here can be complete this division. Okay, still if you want to do to get 1 on 1, you can be continue. So we can take that 4 is the one of the number, one of the common number. 4 will go in 4 one time, 4 will go in 21. Okay, so that as usual we can write 21. Then we can take the 21. 1 is as usual. Okay, then 21 in 21 how many times? 1 time. Okay children. Now we have to find out the LCM. What I told you the procedure when you are finding the LCM. Okay, LCM of these two numbers when you are taking, take this all the product now. 2, 3, 4, 21. Okay children. 2 into 3 into next one 4 into 21. 4 into 21. 2, 3, 4, 21. Just general multiplication you can do. 2 3 are 6. Okay. 6 4 are how much? 24. Just you have to think in here of column. 24 you are getting till here. Right? 2 3 are 6. 6 4 are 24. 24 into 21 you can multiply. Okay. You know general multiplication. 1 4 are 4. 1 2 are 2. Okay. Next one 2 4 are 8. 2 2 are 4. Then what you are getting? 4. 8 plus 2 10. Here 1 will be there. You know that. Then total how much you are getting? 504. Multiplication of all these numbers. 504. Okay. Therefore, the LCM of these two numbers is how much? 504. So if you want to write, you can write to show the highlight. LCM of, okay, which numbers? 24 and 63 equal to how much, children? 504. Okay. So this is the result of this question. So we can identify, children, according to the general division method. When you are finding the LCM of any two numbers or any three numbers also, procedure will be same. Okay. So we have to identify if any common number is there, we have to take that directly common number. Okay. Till to get a 1 1, then it is easy for you. Otherwise you will be confused. Okay. Starting only when there is no common number means directly we can multiply. For example, if you take then 10 and 17, these are the two numbers. Is it any common number? No, there is no common number. So that the LCM of these two numbers means what you have to take? Product of these two numbers. 10 into 17 means 170. Okay, children. So this concept, this principle you have to remember. Then still more you can take own numbers to find the LCM. This is the general division method, children. Then I will explain. Okay, actually prime factorization method, how to find out according to LCM. So whatever it may be, whatever you apply the methods, here the two methods I told you. One is general division method, another is factorization method. Result must get same because the same problem you are doing now. Okay now. Cons means the methods are different but result will be same. That you have to remember that. If the result are different, whatever you are applied the concept totally wrong only. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, children. So next I will explain that. What I have explained this one LCM about the two examples. So whether you will get for both the example same answer or not, I will explain in a prime factorization method. Okay. Be careful, listen, children. Be alert.